Imagine a factory with no workers, no managers, no human instructions. Machines build machines. AI controls the process, and it never stops. This is no longer science fiction. It is already beginning. For decades, humans used machines. Now, machines are beginning to use machines. AI no longer only analyzes data, it now controls production, designs systems, optimizes itself, and increasingly acts autonomously. Now imagine a closed loop. Mining robots extract raw materials. Autonomous factories process them. Robotic systems assemble new machines. Maintenance robots repair them, and AI coordinates everything. A self-sustaining industrial ecosystem. This changes the meaning of productivity. Production becomes continuous, 24 hours a day. No fatigue, no shift changes, no human bottlenecks. For the first time in history, industry could become truly autonomous. And that creates a deeper question. If machines do the work, what do humans do? What happens to time, to purpose, to identity? This is not just a technological shift. It is a civilizational shift. This doesn't have to become a conflict. AI is not replacing humanity. It is removing routine, releasing time, creating space. The real challenge is not losing jobs. It is learning how to use freedom. Perhaps our next role is different. Less repetition, more creativity, more exploration, more science, more meaning. Machines may build the world, but humans still define why it matters. In the next episode, we explore the closed-loop economy, where AI begins creating AI. Subscribe. The future has already started.